In an interview to a major newspaper yesterday, Honorable Piyush Goyal ji has mentioned that he wants to make Mumbai slum-free. And the way he wants to make Mumbai slum-free is by shifting or forcefully shifting all of these slums to salt pan lands of Mumbai. Now there are 3-4 aspects to this. One, you cannot forcefully shift anyone in this country. The most important thing being they have to be heard, they have a voice. A lot of SR Islam rehabilitation processes are going on across Mumbai and across the country, but largely in Maharashtra if you see. The SRA in Mumbai is actively working on giving them homes that they really deserve. Now the most important part is, when Mr. Goyal believes that they should be all forced out and sent to salt pan lands, the problem here is salt pan lands today are environmentally sensitive. Until now there have been no development zones. Giving a false reason of a salt pan land, his ministry had blocked our proposal to move the metro car shed from RA to Kanjurmarg. There is no salt pan there, and yet he wanted to move it to that, move it from that particular land, claiming its salt pan back to RA. Now Mumbai and Maharashtra would have saved 10,000 crores had we moved our car shed to that Kanjurmarg land. 3, 4, 6, 14, 4 metro car sheds would have come in one place. Yet the ego of the BJP came in the way. Believing that Maharashtra is making progress, they wanted to stop our progress. They are anti-Maharashtra, and they stopped that, brought it back to RA. Today, when he wants to force the slum dwellers from all across Mumbai to go to salt pan lands, this is unjust and this is dictatorship. Because a lot of these slum dwellers come here to work day and night. They have local jobs, local employment, local businesses, and the same is the case with Dharavi. They want to force them out from Dharavi to go to salt pan lands for the next 15 or 17 years. This is what we are against, and this is what we will stop. All of us want development, all of us want sustainable development, and all of us want dignity to life without being forced by a dictator to move away.
Congress has also taken this agenda. Will it be a campaign issue in the coming days?
It is a major issue. It is a major issue. This is a core issue for a lot of Mumbaikars, and I believe that Mumbaikars will vote on this issue.